This video is sponsored by Lovo, but more about that later in the video. Best free AI paraphraser. Now, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. And here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Now, the free AI paraphraser I'm referring to is called Rephrasely. And Rephrasely has been around for a little while now. I've done a video in the past about this, and I'll leave a link in the card above. Let's go and have a look at a private label rights ebook that I've picked up that we can add some of the content to, and we'll just show you how good this really is. So as you can see, get started with webinars, and we'll have a quick look at this. We'll go down to the introduction section and we'll just grab a page. Now, one of the things I really like about this is it allows you to have up to 3,000 characters. Now, even 𝗬𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗹𝗯, my favorite, 𝗬𝗂𝗶𝗹, only does 125 words, which usually is less than 3,000 characters. So let's copy this. This is approximately a page. Let's go down here and let's grab another full page and see whether or not we can grab the entire page and pop that in there. So I was going to scroll down to the next chapter, and I'll grab an entire page from a new chapter. There we are. Let's grab this page because it's got the longest amount of words. So we'll grab all of this and we'll see if that fits inside of Rephrasely. Copy that. Let's pop that straight into Rephrasely and see whether or not it's too many words. We'll find out in a moment. So let's go Control V, we'll paste that in there and see how it goes. There you go, that was an entire page and it only came to 1,682 words. Now remember, 3,000 characters can be used as often as you want. Now all we have to do is go over here and we can hit rephrase. And in just a moment, it will rephrase the entire thing. We'll just pause the video until then. Okay, what do people want to know about your niche? What do people want to learn about the topic you specialize in? Okay, that's good. What kind of questions are you asking search engines? If you want to run a successful webinar, then you need to find out what people want to know so that you can teach them. Let's go and have a look over here. What do people want to learn about the topic you specialize in? What questions do you ask the search engines? If you want to have a successful online class, you need to find out what people want to know so that you can teach them. Okay, it's virtually the same thing said in a very different way. So that is very, very cool. Now, is this plagiarism? Not at all when you consider this is private label rights and you are allowed to change it. So we can copy all of that content and we can add that to the ebook if you wish to. Now, another thing you can do with this if you want to is that you can also turn this into a different language. Now let me show you this, okay? It's currently in English. Now, let's go and have a look at maybe say, for example, French. Let's go for French. There we go, French. We'll click on that and then we'll rephrase it and see what it comes up with. Now, this is all in the free version. Right now, we're looking at the free version. Okay, so I'm just making you aware of that. Now, I don't speak French, so I won't try to annihilate this by trying to read it. I'm assuming it's written correctly and in the way the French would naturally speak it. Now, if you have a particular audience on YouTube that you want to be able to reach, like for example Japan or one of the other ones, then you can grab that particular language and you can create a video using that particular text. Now, speaking about videos, if you're looking for a voiceover for your next project, why not consider an AI voice generator and text-to-speech platform called Lovo? It uses realistic AI voices that will captivate your audience. Lovo is the go-to AI voiceover generator and text-to-speech platform for over 500,000 creators, saving them 90% of their time and budget. Experience the full power of cutting-edge text-to-speech, online video editor, AI voices, AI art, and an AI writing generator that delivers premium results for your next project. With over 500,000 users, you know you're in good company. You can use Lovo for advertising, education, explainer videos, YouTube videos, corporate training, audiobooks, podcasts, social media, product demos, and customer service IVR. Let's go inside Lovo and I'll introduce you to Jenny. Jenny is feature rich and gives you unparalleled voiceover production powered by realistic AI voices. Not only that, but you now have the power to not only produce professional videos with realistic human-sounding voices, you can even use Jenny's AI Writer to create your video or audio script. It includes a powerful, easy-to-use video editor, so that you don't have to use multiple softwares to get your video produced. You can even use their AI art generator to create original images to include in your videos. Jenny from Lovo allows you to be able to select over 100 different voices from around the world. So why would you want to use AI voiceovers instead of real human voices? Number one, if the language you're using isn't your main language, you can use Lovo's AI voiceovers to give you a native sounding voice that suits that country's audience. Number two, it's faster than trying to use your own voice or hiring a voiceover artist to create the voiceover. Number three, you don't have to re-record your voice every time you make a mistake. And number four, it's cheaper than hiring a professional voiceover artist. At the moment, Lovo has a special 50% discount for a limited time. Grab a yearly pro account for a whopping 50% off. Right now, you can join Lovo for only $24 a month when you grab the yearly subscription. Link is in the description down below. So grab Lovo today. I know you'll love it as much as I do. Now another thing you have to look at is here is you got the shorten. You can shorten it, you can expand it, you can have smooth, you can have standard, you can have summary, you can have grammar, diplomatic, informal, or literary. What you don't get is the academic side of it. You don't get the human sounding type. You don't get the simple or clear or elaborate or creative, formal or comprehensive, emphatic or confident, smart or thoughtful. You have to pay for that. So let's go and have a look at the paid side of this particular product. So let's go over here. Now, if you wish to be able to get this on a monthly basis, you can do it for $7.99 US a month. You get unlimited paraphrasing in 20 styles, up to 500 paragraphs a month, up to 100 plagiarism checks per month, and more powerful paraphrasing for all modes and languages. And if you wish to go yearly, that's $4.99 a month or $59.88 billed per year. You get the same thing. You get unlimited paragraphs in 20 styles, unlimited paragraph generating, unlimited plagiarism checks, and more powerful paraphrasing for all modes and languages. As you can see, this is much better value at $4.99 a month, which works out to be $59.88 a year, which is still very cheap when you consider the cost of all the other rephrasing tools out there. This is extremely reasonable. Now, a link for this will be in the description down below. So let's have a look at what else it can do. Now, remembering this is 3,000 characters at a time. Okay, well, I had to sign up for a free account before I could actually continue on. Now, as you can see, I've grabbed a bit more content here, and we're now going to hit paraphrase. It's only using up 1,329, so let's go there. And because this is only the free account, so be aware of that. It's not the paid account. My paid account will allow me to do whatever I like with it, which is really awesome. Okay, so let's have a read of this. Step 4, build your expertise. It doesn't look like it's giving me that little phrase just there. If you want more people to join your online class, it's important to show them that you know a lot about the subject. Anything that you can do to impress people with your credentials will improve the odds of them coming to your webinar. Have you been doing this job for a long time? Did you go to college to learn about what you're teaching? Have you been working in the industry for a long period of time? Do you have a college degree? This is completely different to what was written here, but it's saying exactly the same thing. But it's rearranged it in such a way that it seems completely different. So this is Rephrasely. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, pull the subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of Rephrasely. Now, just to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that or poke me in the forehead with your finger, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.